Then there's a while loop, guys, right? So while loop is basically what? There's a condition. If the condition is true, then you execute the statements inside the loop, and if it's false, you go outside the loop. So basically, let's say this example let's take. So t is like a binary variable, true, num is like a numeric variable 0, while t, num plus 1 plus equal to 1, right? So basically keep adding 1 to t, right? And you keep printing it, right? So as long as this condition is being satisfied, you keep doing the statements, to keep executing these statements. And if the moment it hits 5, right, the value of t is being changed to false. And that's where this will break, right? So a while statement is basically, a while loop is going to break at some point because of some condition. You guys understand this part? How a while loop is working? There's a condition that it keeps checking. As long as that condition is true, you keep executing, you keep running the code within the loop. And the moment the condition is falsified, the loop breaks. Like this. Like till the point n is less than 5, keep printing n and keep giving a space after each print. Like after 1, it has given a space. And then n plus equal to 1, basically that means increase n by 1 increment. This plus equal to 1 you guys know, right? If you don't, this means that every time make n, put n equal to n plus 1 is basically what it means. I could write the same thing as n equal to n plus 1 also. Still it will give me the same result. Or I can write n plus equal to 1. So it will keep printing unless till this condition is satisfied, and the moment n becomes 5, it breaks.